Set the desired view. Select the usBIM.codesign AI plugin. Access usBIM.codesign AI. Click the plus button to capture a screenshot of the view in Rhino and create a new image. Assign a title to the image. Select a proposal mode. Now set the image style. Then set the lighting type. Add additional prompts. Click on Generate New Image. Compare the generated image with the original one. View the final image or the comparison in full screen. Create a new screenshot by clicking the plus command. In Style Settings, select Import Style from Reference Image. Upload the reference image. Click on Generate New Image. View the comparison between the original and the generated image. Now click on Customize. Enter customization prompts and then generate the new image. Choose whether to overwrite the previous image or create a new one. Now click Enhance HQ. Select the image quality. Select the creativity type. Click on Generate New Image. You can customize, enhance, rename, download, and delete the image dot. Click on the image generated in usBIM.codesign AI to return to the same view in Rhino.